Hello everyone, I am CA Navpreet and welcome back to our channel Being CA with Preet. Today, we are going to discuss about the two latest sections added by the Income Tax Department, Section 206AB and 206CCA. Both of these sections have come into effect from 1st July 2021. These sections impose a higher rate of tax deduction and tax collection on specified persons. Higher rate here will be twice as the prescribed rate or 5% whichever is higher. Now who are these specified persons? ये specified persons होते कौन हैं? These are basically the non-filers. Non-filers मतलब वो लोग जिन्होंने रिटर्न फाइल नहीं करी है लास्ट 2 प्रीवियस ईयर्स की जस्ट बिफोर द प्रीवियस ईयर, जिसमें टैक्स डिडक्ट करना है या टैक्स कलेक्ट करना है। यहाँ बात उन 2 प्रीवियस ईयर्स की हो रही है जिनकी रिटर्न फाइलिंग डेट एक्सपायर हो चुकी है। ऑल्सो उन दोनों प्रीवियस ईयर्स में उस स्पेसिफाइड पर्सन का टैक्स डिडक्शन या टैक्स कलेक्शन 50,000 या उससे ज़्यादा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर FY 21-22 में टैक्स डिडक्ट करना है या टैक्स कलेक्ट करना है और अगर किसी पर्सन ने FY 18-19 और FY 19-20 की रिटर्न फाइल नहीं करी है एंड उसका टैक्स डिडक्शन उन दोनों साल में 50,000 है, तो वो एक स्पेसिफाइड पर्सन है फॉर दिस पर्पस। नाउ दिस लीड्स टू extra burden on the tax deductor or tax collector to track down these specified persons. So to ease down this process, Income Tax Department has launched the compliance check functionality for Section 206AB and 206CCA. This functionality is available at the reporting portal of the Income Tax Department. To use this functionality, any tax deductor or collector can feed single PAN or multiple PANs using bulk search option, and in return the compliance check functionality will respond to whether that PAN is of a specified person or not. To understand it in a better way, we are going to give you a live demo of the complete process. For this, I'll be sharing my screen with you. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to log in into the new income tax portal using e-filing login credential of TAN. After logging in, you need to go to Pending Actions tab and select Reporting Portal. Now, you will be redirected to the reporting portal. Once redirected, select New Registration option and click on Continue. On the next screen, select the form type as Compliance Check, Tax Deductor and Collector. The entity category will be displayed based on the category in which TAN is registered at e-filing site. Click on Continue to navigate to Entity Details page. Now enter relevant entity details on Entity Details page. And click on Add Principal Officer button to add Principal Officer. Now enter Principal Officer details on the Principal Officer details page. In case there are more users such as Nodal Officer, Alternate Nodal Officer or other users, then they are also to be registered at this instance. Adding the details of such users can be continued. Otherwise, the same can be done after registration also. After filling the details of the principal officer or any other officer, click on Preview button to view the entered entity and principal officer details. After previewing, click on Submit button to submit the registration request. Now, an acknowledgement receipt of registration request is provided through portal, and the same will also be shared through an email notification to the principal officer. Once the registration request is approved by Income Tax Department, email notification will be shared with the principal officer along with the login credentials. Once you get the ITD REIN details and the login credentials, you need to go to the reporting portal. On the left sidebar of the reporting portal homepage, you need to click on the login button. Now enter the required details of principal officer in the respective fields using the PAN and password as received in the email. You can also change the password received from the income tax website by filling in the next page. Once the password is changed successfully, then you need to re-login into the reporting portal using the new login credentials. If the principal officer's PAN is registered for multiple forms and ITD REIN, then he or she needs to select form type as compliance check, tax deductor and collector and the associated ITD REINs from the drop down. After successfully logging in, the homepage of reporting portal will appear. Click on Compliance Check for Section 206AB and 206CCA link provided as shortcut on the left panel. Upon clicking on the Compliance Check for Section 206AB and 206CCA at the home page, the Compliance Check functionality page will appear. Through this functionality, tax deductors or collectors can verify if any person is a specified person by using two modes. One being PAN search, which is used to verify a single PAN. For single PAN search, you need to select the PAN search tab under Compliance Check functionality and then enter valid PAN and CAPTCHA code and click search. Output result will be displayed upon entering a valid PAN and CAPTCHA code. No result will be shown if the PAN entered is invalid. Second, bulk search, which is used to verify the PAN in bulk. For using bulk search of PAN, you need to select bulk search tab. Now download the CSV template by clicking on Download CSV template button. After downloading the CSV template, you need to fill the CSV with all the PANs available and whose TDS or TCS is collected during the year and for which specified person status is required. After filling in the CSV template, you need to upload that CSV by clicking on Upload CSV button. This uploaded file will start reflecting with uploaded status. Once the uploaded CSV has been processed, and the results are ready for download, then the status will change to available. And once you have downloaded the output results CSV, the status will change to downloaded. This download link will be expired after 24 hours of availability of the file. And then the status will change to link expired. The output result CSV file will show the response options as yes or no against all the PAN number entered, that whether that person holding the particular PAN is a specified person or not. It will also provide the date on which the specified person's status as per the section 206AB and 206CCA is determined. If you find this video useful, please give it a like and do share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Being Safe with Preet for more such informative videos. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.